Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. In our last session, we have discussed the fourth lesson, A Rainy Day. In today's session, we will discuss the textbook bits of the lesson for A Rainy Day. Children, if you have textbook, open textbook and write the bits along with me in your textbook. If not, write in your classwork. Okay, children? Okay. We will discuss the bits of the lesson. First, comprehension. In comprehension, bit A, answer these questions. So, question and answers, children. I'll read the question, try to guess the answer. First question is WHERE, where IS is AMOL, Amol, coming, 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 BACK, back, from, FROM, from. Where is Amol coming back from? So from where Amol is coming back, children? The first answer, children. Amol is AMOL, Amol. IS is coming, 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 back, 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 from, 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 school, SCHOOL, school. Amol is coming back from school. Now second question, children. WHERE, where DOES, does, AMOL, Amol, stand, STAND, stand. When, 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 IT8, begins, 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 TO2, rain, RAIN, rain. Where does Amol stand when it begins to rain? So where does he stand, children? Guess the answer. He stands under a tree. Okay. So the answer is Amol, 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 stands, 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 under, UNDER, under a tree, TREE, tree. Amol stands under a tree. Okay. Now third question, children. WHO, who, comes, 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 and stands, 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 near, 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 HIM, him. Who comes and stand near him? Children, who will stand along with him? The brown puppy. Isn't it? A brown puppy will stand along with him, near him. So write down the answer. A little pup, a little, 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 pup, 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 comes, 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 and and stands near Amol, and stands, 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 near, 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 Amol, AMOL, Amol. A little pup comes and stands near Amol. Okay. Now fourth question, children. WHO, who, GETS, gets, wet, 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 first, FIRST, who gets first? So write 1, 2 and 3. Here A is Amol, B is the tree, C is the pup. Now arrange them in order. First, who will get wet, next place is who, and third, who will get wet. Okay. Here in the lesson, first the tree will get wet. So B is number 1. Next second, Amol will get wet. So A is number 2 and at last the pup will get wet. So C is number 3. First, the tree. Second, Amol. Third, the pup will get wet. So the answer is 2, 1, 3. Children, once we'll read the question and answers. Come on, you also read along with me. First question, where is Amol coming back from? Answer is, Amol is coming back from school. Second question, where does Amol stand when it begins to rain? And the answer is, Amol stands under a tree. Third question, who comes and stands near Amol? Who comes and stands near him? And the answer is, a little pup comes and stands near Amol. Okay. Now fourth question, who gets wet first? First, the tree. Second, Amol. And third, the pup. Okay, children. Now next we'll discuss bit B. Take the correct words. So here, take the correct words. The question is, there are black clouds in the sky. So there are black clouds in the sky. So first question is, who sees the black clouds? Who will see the black clouds? Its options are A, Amol, B, the pup. So who will see the black clouds, children? The option is A, Amol. So take A, children. Now second question, how did bit B, children? Take the correct words. Take the correct words. Here the question is, there are black clouds in the sky. There are black clouds in the sky. Already we discussed in the lesson, there are black clouds in the sky. Now here the question is, who sees the black clouds? Children, who sees the black clouds? Here the options are option A, Amol, option B, the pup. So who sees the black clouds, children, here? Amol or the pup? The answer is option A, Amol. Tick Amol, children. Okay. Now second one, how did he feel? How did he feel? Here the options are option A, happy, option B, scared. Now tell me, how did he feel, children? Whether he was happy or he feared by seeing the black clouds? Whether option A, happy, or option B, scared? It's option B, scared. So he was scared by seeing the black clouds. Take option B, children. Now next, play with words. Bit children, in play with words, bit C, add ing, ing to these words and write them on the blanks. So here the words are given. Further, add ing, ing and write the word here in the blank. The first one is given here, children. See, walk, walk. And when ing is added, then what happened here? Walking, walk, walking. And the spelling is walking, walking, walk, walking. Okay. Now, in the same way, we will add ing, ing to the remaining words. Here the second word is rain, rain. Now, we will add ing to rain. So here rain, rain. Now write ing, ing. Now read the word, children. Raining, rain, raining, rain, raining. Okay. Now the third word, children. Eat, eat. Now eat, we will add ing to it. Ing. Now read the word eating. Eat, eating. Walk, walking. Rain, raining. Eat, eating. Okay. Now next the fourth word, children. stand, stand. Now add ing form to it. stand, stand. ing, standing, stand, standing. Walk, walking. Rain, raining. Eat, eating. Stand, standing. Okay. Now next the fifth word, children. Help. help, help. Now add ing to it. ing. Now help, helping. Help, helping. Okay. Now the last word of this bit, children. Play. Now write play and add ing to it. ing. Now read out the word. Playing. Play, playing. Play, playing. Now once we'll read all the words, children. First one. Walk, walking. Rain, raining. Eat, eating. Stand, standing. Help, helping. Play, playing. Okay. Now next, bit D, children. Look at the pictures. What kind of a day is it? Write the correct words. So here the pictures are given. Look the pictures and the options are given in the box. Now write the correct option here in the blank. Okay, you have to find what kind of a day. Generally, the day will be sunny, rainy, cloudy and windy. So when it is too hot in summer, all the days will be sunny. In winter, what happened? We will get cool air. So the day will be windy. In rainy season, before rain comes, all the clouds will become black. So the day will be cloudy. So before starting the rain, the day will be cloudy. After, once the rain started, then the day will be rainy. So now we'll see the picture and we'll write the correct word here in the blank. Okay. The words which given in the box are windy, cloudy, rainy, sunny. Okay. Windy, cloudy, rainy, sunny. Now see the first picture, children, here. Sun is there. It is too hot. The boy is feeling very hot. So the day is sunny. Write sunny here in the blank. sunny. Sunny. Now second word, see here, the air is coming with full of force. It is blowing. Heavy air is there. So When it is heavy air, then the day will be windy. W-I-N-D-Y, windy. Okay. Now third one, here the clouds are in black in color. So the day is cloudy. Write cloudy here in the blank. C-L-O-U-D-Y, cloudy. And the last picture is, see, it's raining and the boy hold the umbrella. So the answer is rainy. R-A-I-N-Y, rainy. Here the first picture is sunny, second windy, third cloudy, fourth rainy. Okay children? Okay. Now with this we have completed bit D. Now next bit, spelling. In spelling, bit E, use the letters in the box to complete the words. Use the letters in the box to complete the words. Here the letters in the box are A-R, O-L-L, I-L-L, A-I-N, E-L-L-A-T, at. Okay. Now use these letters and fill the blanks and form the word. Okay. Complete the word. Here the first one is R, and the letters which are used from the box are A-I-N. So that is rain. Okay. Rain. R-A-I-N, rain. So this is the first one children. Now second one, S-H. So use E-L-L, that is shell. S-H-E-L-L, shell. Okay. Now third word, C-O. So use A-T, at. Then the new word is coat. C-O-A-T, coat. Okay. Now next fourth one, D is given and 3 blanks are given. So 3 letters you have to write. That is doll. D-O-L-L, doll. Now next fifth one, B-E, and 2 blanks are given. So you have to write 2 letters and the letters are A-R. Write A-R here in the blank children. And the word is beer. B-E-A-R, beer. Okay. Now the last sixth one, P is there and 3 blanks are there. So write the letters I-L-L in the blanks. Now the word is pill. Once we'll read all the words children. First one is rain, second shell, third coat, fourth doll, fifth bear, sixth pill. Okay. Now with this we have completed bit E, spellings. Now next bit children, punctuation. Punctuation. And bit F, write these sentences in your notebook. Begin with capital letters and end with full stops. So here the sentences are given. By using the punctuation mark, you have to rewrite the sentence once again, and starting letter, that is begin with capital letter and at last end with full stop. So we'll write it. The sentence, first sentence is, it is raining. So write I capital children. I-T-8, I-S is raining. R-A-I-N-I-N-G, raining. After completion of the sentence, put full stop. Okay. Second one, I got wet. So here the first letter should be capital. Write capital I, G-O-T, got, wet, W-E-T, wet. Put full stop. I got wet. And the third question is, we will play games. We will play games. Write W capital, we will play games. End of the sentence, put full stop. Okay. Now fourth question children, we will have fun. So W capital, we will have fun, F-U-N, fun, and at last put full stop. Okay. Now write a sentence of your own in your notebook. So that is homework for you. Now next we'll move on to the last bit of this lesson, children. Now grammar fun. Here the verbs are is, am, are. By using these verbs we will fill in the blanks. First, read these sentences. First sentence is I am a girl. We are girls. Second sentence is the book is on the table. The books are on the table. So here singular plural. When one girl is there, then she can use the sentence I am a girl. When more than one girl is there, then we'll use the word we. We are girls. The second sentence, if one book is there on the table, then the sentence is the book is on the table. If more than one book is there, it's a plural form, books. The books are on the table. Now using the same concept, we will write big G, fill in the blanks. Big G, fill in the blanks with ISEs, am, or ARER. Use these three words. With the help of these three words, we'll complete the fill in the blanks. Here the first question is Janak dash singing. So only one person is there. So when one is there, then we will use is. Is. Janak is singing. Janak is singing. Janak is singing. Now the second question, children. The cat dash on the mat. So where is the cat? The cat is, only one cat is there, so write is. The cat is on the mat. Okay. Third one, I dash Amol. So how do we introduce ourselves? I am Amol. Write am in the blank. Now fourth question, Grandpa dash playing tennis. Who is playing tennis? Grandpa. So only grandpa. We are talking about grandpa, so write is. Grandpa is playing tennis. Fifth question, we dash friends. When we is there, then we will use the word are. We are friends. Okay, children? Okay. Now once we'll read the fill in the blanks, children. Janak is singing. Second one, the cat is on the mat. Third one, I am Amol. Fourth one, Grandpa is playing tennis. And the fifth one, we are friends. Okay. Now the last bit of this grammar fun, children, bit H. Change the today words into yesterday's words by adding ed. So today when we talk about present tense, we will just speak the words, that is rain. When we talk about yesterday's, that is the past tense, then we will add the past tense. Well, then we will use the words. The word will be changed from present to past by adding ed. So now we will add ed to the word, present words, and then we will change into past words. Here the first question is rain, R-A-I-N, rain. So ed is added, so rain, rained. So yesterday it rained. Okay, rain, rained. Now the second question, now the second word is start. Now add ed to start so that we will change the tenses, children. S-T-A-R-T, start, ed, started, start, started. Now in the same way, third word, children, climb, C-L-I-M-B, climb, add ed. Now the word is climbed, climb, climbed. Fourth one, fill. Now add ed to fill, children. Ed, fill, filled, fill, filled. Now the next word, walk, W-A-L-K, walk, ed, walked, walk, walked, filled, filled. Now the last word, talk, talked. T-A-L-K-E-D. Talked. Once we'll read all the words, children. Rain, rained. Start, started. Climb, climbed. Fill, filled. Walk, walked. Talk, talked. Okay. Now next. Now the last bit, children. Writing. In writing, bit K. How does Amol get ready for school? Number the sentences correctly. So here the sentences are given. You have to arrange them correctly. That is, which sentence will begin first, next second sentence, next third sentence. And all the sentences are about Amol. How does Amol get ready for school? So here the sentences are: he has milk and a dosa. He goes to school. Amol gets up at 6 o'clock. Next, fourth sentence is: he wears his uniform. And the last sentence is: he brushes his teeth and has a bath. Now arrange these sentences in the order. Here the first sentence is: Amol gets up at 6 o'clock. And the second sentence is: after wake up, what we will do, children? He will brushes his teeth and has a bath. So write number 2 here. After having the bath, he wears his uniform. So number 3. Then he has milk and a dosa. After wearing the dress, he will have breakfast and milk. And after that, he goes to school. So here the sentences order is 4, 5, 1, 3, 2. Okay. Now once we'll read. Amol gets up at 6 o'clock. He brushes his teeth and has a bath. He wears his uniform. He has milk and a dosa. And at last the sentence is: he goes to school. Okay. Now with this we have completed the lesson, children. Lesson 4, a rainy day. Okay. Children, now with this we have completed lesson 4, a rainy day. And coming to today's homework, children, read the lesson as well as write bit A, C, E, F, G, H in your classwork, as well as complete all the textbook bits. Learn and write bit A, bit C, bit E, bit F, bit G, bit H in your classwork, as well as complete all the textbook bits from bit A to K in your textbook. Okay, children? Okay. That's it for today. See you in the next session. Bye, children.